Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Tellor Dev Call. Today is September 16, 2024, and we're continuing to test our layer testnet Antietam. It's currently pretty stable, so if you guys want to come back and join us, as long as you join from a snapshot, you should be fine. We're also going to begin doing our stress testing, so we'll keep you up to date if we think anything's going to bring down the chain, or if we're going to be testing anything that's going to put too much stress that might not allow you to transact. But as of now, you should be able to stake, you should be able to attempt to become a validator, you should be able to become a reporter, you should be able to do pretty much anything, including testing the bridge should be up and running. So if you want to test using the bridge, or if you want tokens, ping Spuddy. Anyway, with that, we don't have a looming update this week, so it's just testing. And with that, let's get started with what you guys are up to. Spuddy.
Yeah, I just went through everything that we're operating again, and the nodes look good. We have just one validator that's never gone down, and his name is Bob, and he lives in Singapore. So he's doing really good. The rest of them have been jailed at least once. I checked on a whole bunch of stuff this morning, was looking at Tellor stuff and DVM stuff also. I think I'm going to test. I might see if I can reproduce the app hash errors today. And we'll see. I'll see what Caleb's doing too, so we don't duplicate the work.
Awesome. Thank you, Spuddy. And thank you for being our maintenance person for the whole weekend. I really appreciate it. All right, Caleb, what are you up to?
On the not layer side of things, I have a version of the DVM running that exports some data to CSV files, and that's all working. Today or sometime this week, I'm going to try and just create a simple API that you can fetch the files so that I don't need to download them and be asked for them, and anybody who needs them from our team can just download them and run analysis. On the layer side of things, I'm going to be trying to debug at the store level to see like what exactly could be causing the hash issues, or basically just try to get to the actual bottom of why it's happening, because right now I feel like it's kind of a mystery some of the times. So
yeah,
and then standing up more monitors if we can figure out that after we finish debugging.
Awesome. Dan?
Yeah, I'm working on some end-to-end dispute tests, and also trying to get Akram's Tellor layer release running for the relayer.
Thanks, Dan. Ryan?
Yeah, for the bridge page, there's just a couple tweaks I'm making. I want to make more wallets available, and then the bridge button more adaptable. And then the block explorer, I'm testing out the edit the RPC functionality. I want to make sure that that's actually working the way it should.
Awesome. And then you're also running a validator, or are starting to run one?
Yeah, I got the node running. Validator is the next step.
All right. All right, Nick?
Man, doing good. Tim and I worked a lot on some user contracts on Friday. So I made a sample layer user repo that I'll push to today. Hopefully, we're just going over, we're making like, what's a good prediction market user? What's a good EVM call user? What's a good price feed user? What's a good fallback user? And just like, we want to actually give you like secure examples, not just how to read it, but like actually, people can cut and paste, because we found that people just cut and paste. So
So you're including a lot of best practices for those cut and paste.
All of the best practices are in there. So these are gonna be, people can, if you're doing a prediction market, you can just cut and paste it and it'll work. And then once I get the solidity done, I'll write a couple tests and then plug it into Dan's relayer and see what sort of speeds we can generate on this stuff. So
Awesome. Thanks, Nick. Mike?
Doing good as well. Just working on some of those narrative related notes from our meeting on Friday, and just working on those documents, and going to send some stuff over to Pixel today to see it live in our website refresh that we're working on.
Awesome. Did you guys meet with them on Friday, or are we having a meeting sometime this week to see the website?
No, they're just no, nothing scheduled yet. They're just we're doing a asynchronous thing now. Pixel sent over a link for me to be able to submit notes to him directly, and then he'll make the changes in the staging site based on those notes, and we can start to see how things look on the staging site that way. So but yeah.
Awesome. Thank you, Mike. Nick, I know I owe you still some notes on the security 301, and Mike, I know I owe you some notes on the 101 overview. So today for sure. Anyway, Ryan, do you have any questions?
No questions.
All right. So then thank you all, and see you next week.